everybody, and imagine your biggest dream. Now ask yourself, what are the things that you are doing today to make it real? Namaste everyone, good morning, good afternoon, respected judges, respected dignitaries and everyone here, my fellow contestants and my audiences. Thank you so much. This is me, Prajakta Shrestha from JCI Teamy. Everybody dreams big and everybody has ideas. They want to create change in this world. But how many of us actually act on it? Do we? Vision is just the beginning. Idea is just the beginning. How we work on it, how we make it impactful is actually what matters. Today, I would like to share my own experiences of turning my ideas into impact. And that impact is me standing here representing my JCI team for Creative Young Entrepreneurship and Public Speaking Championship. I once had a vision of turning waste materials, waste flowers from temples into some meaningful incense, giving it second life. And that second life brought me here. I had a vision of turning it to something beautiful and making it more powerful to empower young girls, empower youth, empower blind people in my community. I would like to share one example. Vision is not just what we dream. Indian President Dr. Abdul Kalam once had a dream of developed India, but he didn't just lead missions or he didn't just research about satellites or missiles, but he actually worked and he mentored students, and that's what led his vision into actions. And when I especially entered JCI in 2019, I had one of the mentors. 2019 JCI Monohara President, JCI Senator Rajani Thapa. We hosted Area C President meet, and I met JC Rajani Thapa over there, and she had the vision of leading JCI Nepal throughout that year. She was leading events, she was organizing meetings, she was raising voices of what is going wrong in JCI, and that's what made me believe that I am also able to do it in JCI. So she had that vision, she worked relentlessly, and definitely she failed. It's all in 1%. It's all in 1%. The 1% of your ideas turned into action creates impact. And that 1% might fail actually, because not every idea gives a great result. We might fail, but it's how we rise from that. We have our living example. She definitely fell for the first time, but she rose up like a phoenix, and that's how we have female leadership in 2025. So let's give a huge round of applause for this girl in Mama. So talking about my project Petals, we had a dream of making it big, and this is a very small step that we are taking. If it had been only struck in that one meeting room, it would not have been possible, and I would not be sharing this project with you. But we dared to act. We did research. Our team was researching, and what can be the next possible step. So we did workshop, research, and now it is very impactful because we are empowering blind girls, blind women from my team to give them employment opportunities as well. So once a discarded flowers has now hope, and it is also sustainable. So moving forward, our vision is your invitation to dream. This is where my dream started, and this is where your dream might be started too. So don't be afraid of failing or just not giving up, because it always starts with one action that we start. So please, I request everyone to start what is there. It might fail, but don't worry. Just keep on going and rise like the phoenix. So action is your decision to commit. So let's start today, because perfect moment never comes. It's a momentum that we build. Start small, but start now. And the most important thing is consistency. Your ideas is not impactful until and unless you are committed to your goals. So commit every day, show up every day, and do your best every day. There is one thing, one art in Japan, kintsugi art, where the broken things are amended beautifully with gold paints, and it's more beautiful than before. There might be a simple cup, but when it's broken, you paint it with gold, and it's more beautiful than ever. So you can shape your ideas into impact, your vision into action through these things. So, summating out of vision is an invitation to dream, and action is a decision to commit, and idea is the spark of possibility, and impact is going up every day, again and again with the purpose. So I hope everyone have a great. Let's be a doer. Let's not just be a visionary with the big idea. So let's be a builder. Let's be a doer. Let's be a change maker. So that's how we turn our vision into action, turning ideas into impact. Thank you, James.